Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD as usual, and this gap has been closed. So that was our yearly gap up, ran away, came back, we've closed it. We've got some pretty decent structure here. We've got diversions brewing. So, I mean, this is textbook at the moment. Here's the bottom end of your wedge, and there is the top end of your wedge with one little fake out there, diversions. So what you're looking at here is a break of the next level of structure, which is this area here. That would break the flag, and that would mean we have a move back to the upside, and that target area is going to be roughly in this space here at 108.035. So looking at the hour, what do we have here? Solid move from Friday, and you can see we opened there, down, and closed on our high. So that is a big daily pin bar. If you don't believe me, big daily pin bar there. So that is an indication that buyers have come in and potential to the upside. So not interested in this area here at the moment. I'm only interested in a break above 107.144. So I'd want to see a break and a retest of that. Then tight stop loss below that structure, and you can probably just hang on for 108.035. So this is starting to look a little bit bullish. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, and pretty much you can see a bit of a rejection happening here, inside bar, flag forming as well. Flag target is to the downside, but this flag target is pretty much here. It's a small flag. But if you just have a look at this on the daily, that's a fairly decent pin bar there, and I would suggest that that's the area you should be looking for, 133.052. Rejection of the 155, and the other thing to bear in mind here is you do have this trend line here. It was tested there, but that would also be an area to be paying attention to. So getting down to the 1 hour, how is this going to pan out? Well, I suspect you're probably going to be tackling this area here, 134.077. Bear in mind that we are in an upward trend here, so just be wary of that. So you'd want to see a pullback down, you want to see a retest of this area, and you can pick that up on the 15-minute. You'll see break, retest, bounce to head off here. That would give you the opportunity to be short, and your stop loss must be above the structure, and you'd be looking firstly at this cup and handle target here. So this would be 1,047 points gain, and takes us straight on to this 133.052. So break of 134.077 retest, then you're looking for 133.052, possibly the start of a bit of a bear trend on the lower time frames at least. So looking interesting on the dollar. Moving on to the pound, British pound, Japanese yen, and I spent all week basically last week in this 161.800 and 161.190 area. Lots of potential support here, and as I said, double head, left shoulder, right shoulder, and now you've got a cup and potential handle forming. This 161.800 is critical. Break above that, I think you're going to have a fairly explosive move to the upside, and those are your upside targets. That's the first one, and that's the second one, and then you're probably going to get a third one in the mix there as well, which is that. So drop down to the hour, and you'll see sort of holding above the 155. We've got above the moving average. It's a bit messy on Friday, so I would expect some kind of a pullback here. 161.190, what I'd be looking for. Oscillator should ease off a bit with that, and then I would expect another attempt at 161.800. Break above 161.800, retest, then you are on your way. You're looking at 163.055. You're looking at 164.047, and then ultimately you're looking at 165.747. So pay attention to this. We are sideways at the moment, so you'd want to see a decent break above it. So it's more than likely a move all the way up here, then a pullback all the way down, that would give you the real entry, and then you've got basically you just hold on for a break of this level and then target the next level. So that's kind of the view that I've got here, but sit on hands until that happens. Lastly, Euro, British Pound, big up, big down, and then another big up straight into the structure here. There's nothing really exciting here on the hour, on the 8 hour. And when I drill down to the 1 hour, it's even less exciting. You can see pretty much a daily rejection bar there. So 2 days up, big engulfing bar. Oscillators crossed over in a bull trend. It's messy. There's no real direction here, and it keeps changing on a daily basis. So I think for this, I am sitting on the sides. I don't think I want to get into this unless we start dropping below 088746. I'd want to see a drop and then a pullback to test, bump my head here. That would give me the opportunity for a short. But I somehow don't expect that to happen. I think you're probably just going to muck around between these two levels today. Anyway, I'm staying out of this one. So lots of opportunity on the dollar at the moment, and that also bodes well to the indexes. So patience is key. I think it does look like something is brewing. The question is, what is that something? Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.